Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are staying happy, healthy and safe. I am back again today with another informative video for you guys. So in today's video we will talk about the new travel requirements by the Canadian government for all the people who are planning to travel to Canada within the next few months. So starting January 7, 2021, there are new travel restrictions. There are new announcements that have been made by the Canadian government regarding traveling to Canada. So it's been almost like 1 week for these announcements, but still there are like lots of people who are still not aware about these and facing so many challenges at the airport. They are being denied to board the plane before they even can like travel to Canada. So these new travel requirements are regarding the pre-departure and COVID testing and negative reports that you have to show before you board the plane. According to Canadian government, all the travelers that are 5 years of age and more than that need to present a negative COVID testing report if you are traveling by air to Canada. So basically अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हैं कि आपको कनाडा आना है, लेट्स से आपको इंडिया से कनाडा आना है, तो आपको एक नेगेटिव कोविड टेस्ट रिपोर्ट शो करनी पड़ेगी और जो कि लाइक within 72 hours डन होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. If those 72 hours are passed, you will not be allowed to board the plane. So all the people who are traveling to Canada will need to present a negative COVID test report if you are traveling from another country to Canada. And for this, even if you have like already got vaccinated, you will still need to provide the Canadian government a negative COVID test report. So basically अगर आपने वैक्सीनेशन करवा भी ली है तब भी आपको एक कोविड टेस्ट रिपोर्ट शो करनी होगी कि आपको कोई भी कोविड सिम्टम्स नहीं है, आपकी रिपोर्ट नेगेटिव है, तभी आप एलिजिबल हो पाएंगे कनाडा के लिए ट्रैवल के लिए. अदरवाइज आपको प्लेन में बोर्ड ही नहीं करने दिया जाएगा. So basically Canadian government is trying their best to avoid every step they're trying to do is to avoid the risks of the COVID spread in Canada. So they have put forward all these restrictions, and all these new restrictions, like you have to get your COVID test done and you have to show a COVID negative test report. One more important thing, this COVID test has to be done through a PCR chain reaction. That's like polymerase chain reaction. This is kind of test that's only acceptable for the traveling to Canada. If you are planning to travel to Canada, you should get a COVID test report that is done through a PCR test. Another important thing, guys, this COVID test has to be done within 72 hours of your boarding. So let's say if you are like planning to travel to Canada, you need to get a test done within 72 hours of your boarding. Otherwise, if those 72 hours are passed, you will not be allowed to board to Canada. Also make sure to get this test done from a recognized lab. So basically आपको टेस्ट उसी लैब से कराना है जो गवर्नमेंट से सर्टिफाइड है या ISO सर्टिफाइड है. अदरवाइज कैनेडियन गवर्नमेंट उस टेस्ट रिपोर्ट को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी. और इवन इफ फ्लाइट बोर्ड करके कनाडा में आ गए हैं, दे माइट सेंड यू बैक. Canadian government right now बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट हो रखी है. like lots of restrictions has been put forward. So कोई भी ऐसी एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है कि आपके पास अगर टेस्ट रिपोर्ट नहीं है तो कोई भी डेफरल एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी गवर्नमेंट. आपको हैव टू हैव अपनी कोविड टेस्ट की नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट शो करनी पड़ेगी. अगर ये रिपोर्ट आपके पास नहीं है तो आपको किसी भी फ्लाइट में बोर्ड करने के लिए अलाउ ही नहीं किया जाएगा. एंड ऑल्सो अगर ये टेस्ट रिपोर्ट्स किसी भी सर्टिफाइड गवर्नमेंट और लाइक ऑथराइज्ड लैब से नहीं है तो आपको कनाडा एंटर करने के बाद यहाँ से वापस भी भेजा जा सकता है. और कोई भी रिपोर्ट्स अगर आपने 72 आवर्स से पहले कराई है, लेट्स से कि आपने 72 आवर्स नहीं 78 आवर्स पहले करा लिए, वो रिपोर्ट्स भी एक्सेप्टेड नहीं है. Also, if you are planning to travel to Canada, you will need to provide the Canadian government the details about where you're going to do the stay, where are you going to do the quarantine. क्योंकि अगर आप ये डिटेल क्वारंटाइन प्लान नहीं बताते हैं तो गवर्नमेंट आपको रिफ्यूज़ कर सकती है, क्योंकि उनके अकॉर्डिंग आप रिस्क होंगे to another people if you might end up staying with somebody and you might end up spreading the COVID to another person if you might have got it in during travel on the airport or anywhere. Also, if you will not be able to provide a quarantine plan to the government, you might be obligated to stay in a federal quarantine place, and you will have to bear all those expenses regarding all this quarantine in a federal quarantine place. all the passengers traveling to Canada should follow all the guidelines provided on the Canadian immigration site on the official website of Canada regarding the travel restrictions. There is an app that you guys can use that's called ArriveCan app when you land in Canada. This ArriveCan app will be really helpful for you guys to report your quarantine plan to the Canadian government. It is really important to follow all these travel guidelines, because if you are found not following all these guidelines, you might found as a guilty, and you might be found guilty under offense, and you might be obligated to a heavy fine and might be obligated to prison as well. So make sure to stay updated about all the updated information if you are planning to travel to Canada, because every single day the rules are changing because of this pandemic situations. Canadian government is trying their best and taking every single step to stop the spread of COVID-19 in Canada. Hope this video is useful for you guys. If you did like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for the latest videos. I will keep bringing such informative stuff for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.